Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Mosme Anand. I am presenting a case of 42 years old male came to our OPD with chief complaint of diminution of vision, pain in right eye since 1 year, foreign body sensation in right eye since 1 year. It's not working. History of presenting illness. Patient had pain and diminution of vision right eye on and off since 1 year, gradually progressive, associated with redness, foreign body sensation, and other visual symptoms. No history of fever, sore throat, any cutaneous lesion, or auditory disorder. Past ocular history. Patient had history of right eye injury by vegetative matter 9 years back, visited local doctor and managed conservatively, but condition didn't improve. Due to corneal opacity development, post-keratoplasty, penetrating keratoplasty surgery, and after 2 year phacoemulsification and toric IL implantation done. Past medical history, no history of any systemic illness like diabetes mellitus, hypertension. Family history are not relevant. Social history belongs to lower class group. General examination, pallor, icterus, cyanosis, clubbing, lymphadenopathy, edema absent. All other systems are not abnormally detectable. In ocular examination, right eye best corrected visual acuity, finger count close to face. In left eye 6/6. IOP by appellation tonometer 14 mmHg in right eye, in left 12 mmHg. Conjunctival congestion present in right eye, edematous cornea, DM fold present, graft hazy, anterior chamber, iris, pupil are not assessed in right eye, whereas in left eye all are within normal limit. Lens in right eye pseudophakic according to history, in left eye it's clear. On examination, right eye anterior segment findings are graft host junction present, 16 suture marks present, graft hazy, DM folds present, edematous cornea. My case summary is 42-year-old male with complaint of diminution of vision and increased pain in right eye. Patient had a history of right eye injury by vegetative matter 9 years back due to corneal opacity, PKP and graft 2-year toric IL implantation done. On ocular examination, there was finger count close to face, conjunctival congestion, edematous cornea, DM fold present, graft hazy. Differential diagnosis are endothelial decompensation, late graft failure, post-operative corneal edema, infectious endophthalmitis. All routine investigations are within normal limit. Screening tests are non-reactive. B scans in B scan retina on. Pachymetry was measured. Right eye central corneal thickness 781 micron meter. ASOCT shows corneal thickness. Right eye ASOCT showing graft wall attached. In right eye central corneal thickness 781 micrometer. In left eye 492 micrometer. My provisional diagnosis is the right eye graft failure. Patient planned for right eye dissect due to right eye graft failure. Right eye dissect done. POD1 interface clear. Disc well opposed. Suture present. Epithelial fusion line present. Following advices were given with regular follow-up. Tap prednisolone 40 mg with in tapered dose. Eye drop moxidexa 0.5% W by V and 0.1% W by V. 1 drop 4 times. Eye drop hypersol 5%. 1 drop 5 times. Eye drop lubricant 1 drop 3 times. Follow-up after 15 days, right eye clear graft, pupil normal shape, reactive to light, best corrective visual acuity 618, IOP 12 mmHg. To be continued on oral and topical steroid, which will be gradually tapered over several months. Thank you.
Nicely managed. Just one thing that after doing surgery, why were the oral steroid were given? There is no need of giving oral steroid in DSEC case, not even PK also.
Do you have your post-operative photo? Did you show
Yes,
that?
sure.
She showed it.
Yeah.
Because there is a edematous cornea and
Topicals you will take care of.
There is no role of oral steroids in any corneal transplants. When you've done, did you mention about whether you stripped the Descemet's or you did a non-stripping Descemet's surgery?
stripping Descemet's.
You stripped it completely. Yes. So, in case of a corneal graft, you have to make sure that your stripping is like within the graft host junction, because otherwise the graft host junction can open up. I don't know if you mentioned that point. And also non-stripping can also be done. So that is an alternate which works well. Right? Thank you.